Ricky's V-League. And you may also ask some questions regarding your favorite players and the other teams. Solid hit from Angeline Tabaquero.
And you can hear the crowd really cheering for her.
4 points lang naman ang lamang, and FEU really has a strong chance of catching up. Still a long way to go, folks, here in the third set.
Oh, and that serve from Eulalia forcing Chu Lim. Oh, that error.
Nice reception from Jonella.
A single block won't work if you're up against Sandra De Los Santos.
Grabe yung timing at yung palo.
Oo, kita mo naman hindi masyadong, ganyan ang center attacker hindi masyado nagsaswing, but you really have to have that jump. And now she moves to the service line. Swerte ng FEU. I was just about to say, she's at the service line. They're a bit, in danger dahil malakas mag-serve si De Los Santos.
But that service error, I think a first for Sandra in this match. Uy, nagagawan. Baniel, very aggressive over at the net. Ito na, kailangan nang ibalik. Formy Paul being brought back in to replace Diaz. Two points na lang ang hinahabol ng FEU. Tabaquero with a serve. Free ball. Acuna getting the point. Down by only one.
Slowly but surely, 1 point at a time. Yun din siguro si Coach Ness, finding the right mix of players on the floor. Oh, and look at that! Ball is still saved.
What a save from Cabriana.
Oh, and they do get that point. Patrona. Now the top scorer here for FEU, 10 points so far in this game. That's after a long time of not playing. I think si Patrona. She graduated. I think she graduated before me pa, so it's been a long time.
Sayang, Angelita Baquero. Sayang, that could have been for the lead.
And Tabaquero is actually a very steady server.
Kanina, sure serve siya eh. Adrenaline yun.
Oo, yung adrenaline.
At that particular moment, too much of it is sometimes bad.
Good coverage. Acuna. Net violation.
Nangigil. Kita niya, libre.
Libre, walang tao. Overball.
Overball.
Paborito ng mga ng mga middle blockers.
Oo, biglang that little eagerness, you know.
Ang nakakalimutan minsan, nagdala rin siguro ng momentum. Dapat wrist action lang yan because if you follow through, sasabit ka sa net.
Ooh, error again from the serve for Cagayan, this time from Joy Cases. Baniel will be the one to serve. Jonella with a good reception.
They already saw it coming, that it was going to be a drop ball. Look at this. Drop ball, pero nahuli lang eh. A few seconds late.
That is too close.
Patrona. All fired up. Making sure that they keep it close here in the
Yes.
first set.
And they have done that. Now it's time to close it. It's just a matter of doing it, sabi nga nila, no?
But it's these service errors that are really plaguing the Lady Tamaraws.
One from Tabacero, one from Acuna.
And it's not helping them at this point. Ano, sabi nga natin, this is actually their last chance. They've done a good job in, keeping at pace with Cagayan Valley. Pero hindi enough eh. What you need is to get a win here in the third set. But Patrona might just help them get that.
Down by 1. FEU needs to get this in first and foremost. And they do that.
And this time, they need to maximize Eulalio and Tabacero. Oh, that one was too short for Angeli.
Hindi umabot.
Oh, pero she had the right thing in mind eh. Minsan lang talaga pagdating sa execution.
Yeah.
Doon na lang nagkakatalo. And Angeli just still her usual self. Pag nasa loob ng court, nakatawa palagi. Nakangiti palagi. Eulalio.
Yes, 4 touches. That's 4 touches right there. Still down by 1. Itong FEU 21-22. Giselle C. getting ready to serve. Nice serve. Jonella with a good reception. Keeping it alive is Gallego. Free ball.
Cases finding that space.
Good set from Cabriana.
Oh, of course. Credit
Excellent.
Cabriana doing an excellent setting job.
Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it has got to be Shakey's. Oh! I thought it was on its way out.
I thought so too, pero kinuha pa rin, and that ends up being an error on their part as Tabacero sends it straight to the net.
And this is now match point for CVRS, Cagayan Valley Rising Suns, with their setter, Cabriana, serving. Ganda ng serve. Free ball. And there you have it. That's the match right there, courtesy of Sandra De Los Santos.
Sandra De Los Santos, consistent performance here in this game. Makita naman natin at the service line, although she has committed a few errors. As we take a look at our Shakey's shake and play, courtesy of Sandra De Los Santos.
Ayun.
Ever reliable middle attacker here from Cagayan Valley.
And Cagayan Province does it in 3 straight sets. We'll be right back for the wrap-up. And of course, the Shakey's best player of the game after the short break.